Sunderland spirals, downhill Lane Junction to the Testos Loop. This is our latest handy tutorial for students who have difficulty with turning right at the downhill Lane Junction and then heading on to the Testos roundabout. From the Testos roundabout we'll go around the Bolden Loop, back and heading towards Sunderland North. There's a tight left-hand bend approach to the downhill Lane Junction roundabout. It sometimes confuses students. We're going to turn right, third exit. South Shields Tyne Tunnel, A19 North. The next sign tells us to stay in the right-hand lane. So we're indicating right, heading to the right-hand lane. It's a tight corner, so slow down a bit. If you're turning left or going straight ahead, stay in the left-hand lane. If you're turning right, third or fourth exit, never ever ever in the middle lane. The middle lane, the A1290, is designed to move traffic in and out of the Nissan car plant. You can only turn right in the right-hand lane. Turning right, third exit. After the second exit we spiral into the left-hand lane, clearly marked A19 North. Remember, when we leave the roundabout, always leave in the left-hand lane. Another thing to remember is the speed limit remains the same. It's still 40 miles per hour. Remember, 40. At the Testos junction we're going to turn right, third exit. With that information, let's prepare. Let's move over into the right-hand lane in preparation for moving all the way across to the right. Remember to continue indicating right. Regular checks of your blind spot. We're only going to move across into the fourth lane if it's safe to do so. We're heading for Sunderland North, Bolden, A184 East. As it's safe to do so, we're moving all the way across. Remember, third exit, Sunderland North, Bolden, A184 East. Check your left blind spot, left mirror, indicate left, and spiral into the left-hand lane. Continue indicating left until we've left the junction. It's a sharp corner where the two lanes come together, so off the gas and make progress, the speed limit still being 40 miles per hour. The single lane of the A184 in front of us is about to split into 2 lanes. The B1298 turns left, the A184 goes straight ahead, second exit at the roundabout. Remember, pick which side of the road you're going to go forward in. As the road splits, you're either in the left hand side or the right hand side. We're going to be, on this occasion, in the left hand side. At the roundabout, we're turning left towards Bolton Business Park on the B1298, Abingdon Way. On approach, look to the right. If it's clear and safe to proceed, we turn to the left. Speed limit of the road we've just left was 40. As we turned left, there were no additional signs, so the road is still 40. The next roundabout we're going to cross using the first exit. On approach, you'll notice the road markings, they're distinctive. The right hand lane is for turning right only. The left hand lane is for going straight ahead. We're going straight ahead, so we hug the profile of the roundabout in case there's a vehicle overtaking you. It's very important to remember this. Be safe. Cross the roundabout, second exit. Remember, the road speed limit is still 40 miles per hour. Now we're going to follow the roads marked for the south. Now this area, most of the driving instructors call Scary Corner. It's just a name. You have to approach the corner at the correct speed as you can't see around it. We're going to rejoin the A19, which is a fast road, so you need to think, what do we do? We're going to use the full length of the acceleration lane. Check your right blind spot, right mirror, indicate and emerge if it is safe to do so. Adjust your speed accordingly. Once you've emerged, get up to the speed of the traffic. Now that wasn't so scary, was it? We're going to take the next exit to Nissan offices A1290. The far left lane is the emergency lane, the hard shoulder. You don't go there unless you're broken down. Do not cross the white line. We're going to turn left at the roundabout, first exit, heading towards Sunderland North, the A184 East. We're going to cross the next roundabout, second exit. We're going to follow the A184. So adopt a right-hand lane position, because when the road splits into two, you need to be in the right-hand lane. We're crossing the roundabout, second exit, so we're not turning right, so don't indicate right. Second exit is Sunderland A184. The lane markings say stay in the right-hand lane. So stay in the right-hand lane. Don't veer to the left. Look left, indicate left, and then exit. The road speed limit is still 40 miles per hour here. The alert signs on the left show that we're approaching a change in speed limit to 30 miles per hour. It'll be 30 in 100 meters. And now it's 30. The mini roundabout, we're going straight ahead. Remember, it's a roundabout, not a bounce over. And at the traffic lights, we're going to turn right. On approach, move into the right protected lane. When the lights change, we'll move forward. There's a cycle box. If there's enough space to pass the cycle box, cross the stop line. Now remember, if the lights change to red, we must clear the junction. And let's make progress. The speed limit's 30, still 30, still 30, still 30, now it's 40. Don't speed up before you get to the roundels telling you that it's 40 miles per hour. As we approach the brow of the hill, you see some street lamps, so there's a possibility there's going to be a speed limit change. So prepare. Don't go over 30 once you pass the signs.